My name is Sam Bender, and I'm going to teach you how to use C#. I'm going to start from the very basics and work all the way up to the more advanced topics. I hope this covers C# in totality. So, in order to start, you have to have already had an IDE installed. I'm using Visual Studio. So what we can do here is you go to File, go to New Project. You can name this anything you want. I would recommend naming this C# Part 1. So let's do that. Oh, duh. It won't allow you to put that hashtag. So I'm going to start with something very simple. I'm going to create a program that multiplies 10 by 36 and prints the result to the screen. So a double / indicates that the remainder of the line is a comment. So here we'll say this is our importing namespace. All this may seem a little foreign to you. Don't worry about all this junk up here. I will discuss that in another tutorial. So this is our class declaration right here. Declaration, and the name of our class is program. This is our method declaration. I can't type or spell. So here we'll have our first statement. And we'll create a variable of type integer. We'll call that variable the name of x. And we'll equal that to, what did I say, 14 times 36 or something? I don't remember what I called it, but whatever. We end it with a semicolon. And then we want to write that to the console. And you can notice as I type, I get something called IntelliSense, which is like autocomplete, more or less. And then we want to pass in that variable with a name of x. So you just pass in that x. And as you can probably guess, it will print the result of 14 times 36. So this is our second statement. We'll call this statement number 2. And right here, this is the end of our method. You can see as it starts in between this. So this is our method declaration. The name of it is main. Has returned type of void. And inside we have 2 statements, which is x and this console.writeLine. This is the end of our method. This is the end of our class. I press Control F5. It would build it. Sometimes you need to do this so it stays open. Let's try that again. Control F5. And as you can probably guess, it is 504, which is 14 times 36. So at the heart of this program lies 2 statements, which is right here and right here. And it's fairly simple what we're doing here. So statements in C# execute sequentially, so one after another, and are terminated by a semicolon, as you can see right here. A little semicolon right there. Or code block, as we'll see later, but the first statement computes the expression of 14 times 36 and stores the result in a local variable named x, as you can see, which is an integer type, a whole number. The second statement calls the console's class WriteLine method to print the variable x to a text window on the screen. A method will perform an action in a series of statements called a statement block, a pair of braces containing 0 or more statements. We defined a single method named main. So that is the first tutorial, very simple. So try to do that as you watch. I suggest that you type along. It's just like memory or muscle memory like you do in a sport. So thank you very much.